ano yung healthy ba? Ano yung tamang paraan to overcome that fear of rejection?
Maganda yung question mo, Doc. Kasi parang minsan hindi mo malalaman until you have more experience or opportunities to get to know the person. Mm-hmm. And I think we could concentrate on ourselves muna na we have to be ourselves, di ba? If you be yourself and stay authentic, yun kasi yung lasting. Kasi yun yung totoong ikaw. Kahit na parang kung mag-iiba ka, tas eventually malalaman din niya, the relationship will not work. So, unang-una mahalaga na totoo ka sa sarili mo, hindi mo kailangan mag-pretend to be someone else to impress the person you like. So, confidence starts when you are comfortable with who you are.
Siguro tumataas yung fear kasi para sa kanila high stakes. Pag hindi ako gusto ng tao or hindi siya nag-yes sa akin, ibig sabihin hindi ako attractive. 'Di ba parang nagiging judgment na nila kung ano yung sense of worth nila. Minsan, hindi lang naman talaga talo. 'Di ba? Ibang hinahanap nila, ibang hinahanap mo. So, I think that's also one way, 'di ba? Parang we could, okay, alam mo na, compatibility issue lang 'yan. Kung hindi ka type, hanggang dun lang 'yon. Hindi ibig sabihin hindi ka kanais-nais na tao na walang magmamahal sa'yo, no? Parang wala siyang bearing on you. Lalo na kung respectful ka naman nagtanong, di ba? Hindi ka naman nag-harass or talagang naging aggressive. Then you could say, okay, I tried it and it didn't work out.
Didn't work.
And that's okay. Di ba? Parang we're just trying to find matches. We're not trying to find our sense of worth via dating. Napaka-importante no? Pero actually, ang hirap yata in actuality. Paano
Easier said than done ba?